students, so today's our chapter is inheritance and variation, third chapter in your syllabus. So first of all, what is inheritance and what are variations? So हा जो चॅप्टर तुम्हाला दिलेला आहे तो जुन्या सिलेबस प्रमाणे दोन चॅप्टर एकत्र करून दिलेला आहे. दॅट इज जेनेटिक बेसिस ऑफ इनहेरिटन्स अँड क्रोमोझोमल बेसिस ऑफ इनहेरिटन्स. So first of all, genetics and second chromosome. What is genetic basis of inheritance? Inheritance आपल्याला इथे दिलेलाच आहे पॉइंट. So what is genetic basis of inheritance and what is chromosomal basis of inheritance? So first of all we'll see what are chromosomes. So chromosomes are filamentous bodies present in nucleus. So where chromosomes are exactly present? They are present in nucleus and these are filamentous bodies. And only visible during cell division. Cell division हा चॅप्टर आपला ऑलरेडी झालेला आहे 11th ला. So what is cell division? So a single cell undergoes division to form two daughter cells. Okay. So during mitosis or meiosis, cell division चे आपल्या दोन फेजेस आहेत, मायटोसिस अँड meiosis, ज्यांना आपण M phase म्हटलेलं होतं. So during that particular phases, these chromosomes are visible. Okay, so they are only visible during cell division and these are the filamentous bodies present in nucleus. So they plays an important role in inheritance, that is heredity and variations. Okay, along with heredity and variations, they plays important role in mutation and evolution. So second term is called as genetics. So what is genetics? It is a branch of biology which deals with study of heredity and variation. So heredity is nothing but inheritance and variations. Okay. So genetics is a term first time coined by scientist William Batson in 1906. So what is genetics? It is the branch of biology which deals with study of heredity and variations. Okay. So chromosomes plays important role in heredity and variation, that is inheritance and variations, and the name of chapter is inheritance and variations. Okay. So first of all, what is inheritance? Here, transmission of characters from one generation to next generation is called as inheritance or heredity. So heredity ची डेफिनेशन आणि इनहेरिटन्स ची डेफिनेशन याच्यामध्ये डिफरन्स नाहीये. द डेफिनेशन ऑफ हेरिडिटी इज ऑल्सो ट्रान्समिशन ऑफ कॅरेक्टर or it is also called as traits. Traits means characters. Okay, so transmission of characters from one generation to another generation and is called as inheritance or heredity. And variations means differences among the individuals. प्रत्येक इंडिव्हिज्युअल मध्ये असणारा डिफरन्स. सो डिफरन्सेस अमंग द इंडिव्हिज्युअल मीन्स डिफरन्सेस बिटवीन पेरेंट्स अँड ऑफस्प्रिंग्स, डिफरन्सेस बिटवीन ऑफस्प्रिंग्स ऑफ अ सेम पेरेंट्स अँड डिफरन्सेस बिटवीन इंडिव्हिज्युअल्स ऑफ अ सेम स्पेसिस. म्हणजे आपण होमो सेपियन मध्ये येतो. होमो सेपियन इज द जीनस अँड स्पेसिस नेम ऑफ ह्युमन बीइंग. ना ह्युमन बीइंग जरी आपल्याला म्हटलं आपण तरी पण आपल्यामध्ये प्रत्येकामध्ये डिफरन्स आहे. बरोबर. तो डिफरन्स शारीरिक असेल मीन्स तुमच्या एक्सटर्नल फीचर्स मधला असेल किंवा जेनेटिक फीचर्स मधला असेल मीन्स जेनेटिक्स फिनोटाइप्स अँड जिनोटाइप्स याच्यामधला डिफरन्स असेल. सो अजून एक आपल्यामधला डिफरन्स सध्याच्या कोरोनाच्या काळातला, काही जण व्हिडिओ बघत असतील, काही जण लेक्चरचा अभ्यास करत असतील, काही जण करत पण नसतील. सो आणखी एक डिफरन्स झाला. ओके. सो डिफरन्सेस अमंग द इंडिव्हिज्युअल्स ऑफ अ सेम स्पेसिस. म्हणजे तुम्ही 12वीचेच सगळे स्टुडंट आहात पण काही स्टुडंट मन लावून अभ्यास करत असणार, पण काही स्टुडंट टिंगल टवाळकी करत असणार. ओके. दॅट इज द डिफरन्स. सो डिफरन्स बिटवीन इंडिव्हिज्युअल्स ऑफ अ सेम स्पेसिस or difference between species to species or the difference between offsprings and parents, these differences are called as variations. Okay. So again, inheritance means transmission of character from one generation to another generation. Variations are differences among the individuals. Now genetics is the branch of biology or the field of biology which deals with inheritance and variations. And the term genetics was first time coined by scientist William Batson in 1906. Okay. Now William Batson was first time coined the term genetics but the father of genetics is known as Gregor John Mendel. So Gregor John Mendel is known as father of genetics. Why? So Gregor John Mendel perform experiment on garden pea plant. So मेंडेल ने काय केलेलं आहे? मेंडेल फर्स्ट टाइम परफॉर्म experiments on garden pea plant and he gives proper scientific explanation regarding to inheritance. Inheritance means transmission, means how characters are transmitted from one generation to another generation. Okay, so the first proper scientific explanation was given by Gregor John Mendel regarding to inheritance. Okay, so Mendel is called as father of genetics. So Gregor John Mendel was first time carried out experiment on garden pea. कुठच्या plant वरती त्याने experiment carried out केला? He carried out experiment on garden pea and the scientific name of garden pea is Pisum sativum. Okay, so he performed experiment on garden pea and he find out some principles and these principles are also called as postulates. Okay, so he carried out experiment on garden pea and he find out some principles or postulates. The principles म्हणजे तत्व. Okay, principles and postulates and these principles or postulates are popularly called as Mendel's laws of inheritance. याला आपण म्हणणार मेंडेलचे वेगवेगळे लॉज जे त्याने एक्सप्लेन केलेले आहेत. So these are called as Mendel's laws of inheritance, that principles or postulate which are discovered or which are discovered by Mendel. Okay, now his epoch making work of Mendel regarding to this inheritance is called as popularly called as Mendelism. So each and every term is important for one mark. Okay, so that epoch making work of Mendel is called as popularly called as Mendelism. Okay, now Mendel find out or laid down different postulates or different fundamental rules or properties regarding to genetics. Okay, he laid down foundations of genetics and because of that he is called as father of genetics, because he laid down foundations of genetics. Foundations means basic principles of genetics. That's why he is called as father of genetics and not William Batson. William Batson only coined the term genetics. So with the proper scientific explanation, postulates, principles or proper foundations regarding to genetics was first time given by Gregor John Mendel. That's why it's called as father of genetics. So Mendel explained that characters are transmitted. Now characters are also called as trait. Okay, now here traits or characters are transmitted from one generation to another generation. Now this term is called as inheritance or heredity. Now these characters are transmitted from one generation to next generation through some particles. So त्याने काय एक्सप्लेन केलं की कॅरेक्टर्स नेक्स्ट जनरेशन मध्ये कशी पास होत आहेत, तर पास होण्याचं माध्यम काय आहे? दे आर पासेस थ्रू these particles and he called these particles as a factors. त्याने या particles ना नाव दिलेलं आहे, that is factors. Okay, now these factors are popularly known as genes. ज्या factors ना आता आपण जीन म्हणून ओळखतो, now it known as genes. Okay, so what are genes? These are the pointed structures present on the chromosome. Or in other words, genes are nothing but the segment of DNA. Genes म्हणजेच काय आहेत, तर DNA चे segment आहे. These are the segments of DNA which are responsible for transmission of character from one generation to another generation. Means genes are responsible for inheritance or heredity. Okay. Now the term gene was first time coined by scientist जॉन्सन नावाच्या सायंटिस्टने जीन ही टर्म शोधून काढलेली आहे. नाव विल्यम बॅटसन वॉज फर्स्ट टाइम कॉइन द टर्म जेनेटिक्स. Father of genetics is means Gregor John Mendel is called as father of genetics because he laid down foundations of genetics, and the term gene was first time coined by Johnson. Okay, what are chromosomes? These are the filamentous bodies present in nucleus, only visible during cell division and they play important role in inheritance and variations. Now our genes or factors of Mendel are present on these chromosomes, okay, and these genes are nothing but segment of DNA which are responsible for transmission of character from one generation to another generation. So in the next lecture we will see why he selected garden pea plant for his experiment. त्याने हे garden pea plant means वाटाण्याचं प्लांट, हिरवा वाटाणा. ओके, सो वाटाण्याचं प्लांट त्याने का सिलेक्ट केलं असेल किंवा आपण ज्याला मटार म्हणतो ते प्लांट त्याने का सिलेक्ट केलं, व्हाय ही सिलेक्टेड गार्डन पी प्लांट ॲज अ एक्सपेरिमेंटल प्लांट. So we'll see this point in a next lecture. Thank you.